Experiment 22, painting a proud purple picture. Items needed from kit: litmus paper, 3 petri dishes, a beaker, yellow measuring spoon, packet number 4, which is your purple sweet potato powder. Tools needed from home: paper plate, plastic wrap, and a cotton swab. Ingredients needed from home: water, vinegar, and orange juice. Directions: pour 20 ml of water into the beaker. Add 2 scoops of purple sweet potato powder and stir well. Next, put some of the purple water mixture into the petri dish. Next, soak the non-cut filter paper in the purple liquid. Wait 30 seconds to 2 minutes for the filter paper to be coated. Next, skim away any clumps and set the paper aside to dry. Step 7. After the purple paper is dried, dip the cotton swabs into your liquids that you collected from your house and paint on the filter paper.